So how can you increase the 60 FPS on the iPad? Let's talk about it. So if you are new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials like this one. Right, so you can go to your settings of the iPad, go to the accessibility section, and if you have an iPad which has the Pro Motion display, inside of the, of course, section of the settings for accessibility, you can go to the display, and I mean it's actually in the motion section, and in there you need to make sure that you have not turned on the limiting of the refresh rate. It's not technically the FPS and the refresh rate are technically not the same thing, but if you have high refresh rate display, then it will be able to display high FPS content more smoothly, right? So it kind of goes hand in hand, even though it's not exactly the same thing, but you just don't want your iPad to limit the refresh rate to 60 hertz, right? So you just want to make sure this setting right here is turned off. Outside of that, it kind of depends on what exactly you're doing, because there are some specific applications where it might apply, right? So if you go to your video editors, and if you're working with some kind of projects, usually before you export, you can adjust the frames per second settings, right? The FPS for your project. And in there, you might also just bump it up from like 30 to 60 or even more, depending on the content and, of course, the video editor. So you might also find it inside of other apps settings, like games or some kind of other things might also have it somewhere in the settings where you can bump up the FPS. But as I said, make sure that your display supports high refresh rate so you can actually display it properly. But yeah, that's it from me. Let me know what you think about that below in the comments. Share your thoughts below, and I'll see you later in the next tutorials.